Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will solve this problem step by step and learn a simple method to simplify this beautiful math square root simplification problem. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. We have the given math problem, the square root of 6 plus 4 square root of 2. Assume that square root of 6 plus 4 square root of 2 is equal to square root of a plus square root of b. Now let us square both sides, and we have square root of 6 plus 4 square root of 2 all square is equal to square root of a plus square root of b all square. This square cancel this square root. Then the left hand side is 6 plus 4 square root of 2 is equal to, if you expand the right hand side here, we have a plus b plus 2 square root of ab. Now let us compare. If we compare, we have this a plus b is equal to this 6. Let us call this equation 1. And also this 2 root ab is equal to this 4 root 2. Now here, let us divide both sides of this equation by 2. This is 2 square root of ab over 2 is equal to 4 square root of 2 over 2. This 2 here 1, 2 here 2, 2 here 1, 2 here 1. Then we have root ab is equal to 2 root 2. Let us call this equation 2. Now from equation 2, we have square root of ab is equal to 2 square root of 2. Let us square both sides of this equation. We have square root of ab all square is equal to 2 square root of 2 all square. This cancel this, and then here will be ab is equal to 4 multiplied by root 2 square. This square cancel this square root. ab is equal to 4 multiplied by 2. ab is equal to 8. Let us call this equation 3. We may now solve equation 1 and 3 together. Then equation 1 is a plus b is equal to 6, which is equation 1. And equation 3 is ab is equal to 8. Let us solve this together. This is equation 3. Now from equation 1, a plus b is equal to 6. Then B is equal to 6 minus A. Let us call this equation 4. And then from equation 3, AB is equal to 8. Let us substitute for B here. This can be written as A bracket 6 minus A is equal to 8. Then let's open the bracket here. We have A multiplied by 6. This is 6A minus A multiplied by A. A square is equal to 8. Then we have 6A minus A square minus 8 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. And this is minus 6A plus A square plus 8 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. We have A square minus 6A plus 8 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. And now quadratic general formula in this form is given as A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC over 2A. And from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 6, C is equal to 8. Then here we have A is equal to minus bracket minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 8 over 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 squared, that is 36, minus 4 times 1 times 8, that is 32, over 2 multiplied by 1, 2. This can be written as 6 plus or minus square root of 4 over 2. Then A is equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 over 2. Therefore, A1 is equal to 6 plus 2 over 2, or A2 is equal to 6 minus 2 over 2. A1 is equal to 6 plus 2, that is 8, divided by 2, that is 4. This is the value of A1. Or A2 is equal to 6 minus 8. 6 minus 2, that is 4, divided by 2, that is 2. Now, also to solve for B from equation 4, that is B is equal to 6 minus A. Then B1 is equal to 6 minus A1, that is 4. B1 is equal to 2, or B2 is equal to 6 minus 2, that is 4. B2 is equal to 4. Therefore, we have the value of A to be equal to 4, and then B is equal to 2. These are the corresponding value of A and B. Recall that square root of 6 plus 4 square root of 2 is equal to square root of A plus square root of B. Then this can be written as square root of 6 plus 4 square root of 2 is equal to square root of A is equal to 4 plus square root of B is equal to 2. And this is equal to square root of 4 is 2 plus root 2. Therefore, square root of 6 plus 4 square root of 2 is equal to 2 plus root 2. And this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Therefore, square root of 6 plus 4 square root of 2 here is equal to 2 plus root 2. Bye.